everyone, my name is Lachana. Today I am going to tell that how air exerts pressure. If I squeeze a bottle and close it, so it becomes in its original shape. But if I squeeze it and put the cap back, so it will not come back to its original shape because the air is not exerting pressure, so it can't come to its original shape. Thank you.
Okay, enough. Keep it little upwards now.
You see the difference when I get the funnel upward? So hello friends, my name is Vivanga. So today I am showing you an experiment. So when we blow air through the pipe, air takes its own space in the water. This shows and proves that the air occupies space.
In what form is the air taking space in water?
The air is taking place in water in the form of air bubbles.
Very nice.